Hi guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to switch Gemini to Google Assistant. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your device settings. Now, scroll down towards the bottom and access the Google feature. This will take you to the Google Services menu. Here, scroll down until you see the Settings for Google Apps feature. Tap on that and then tap on the Assistant option at the bottom. Next, access the Google Assistant tab and scroll down a little bit. Here you'll see a section called Digital Assistants from Google. Open this feature. Inside, you'll see the current digital assistant you're using, which is likely Gemini. To switch to the regular Google Assistant, simply tap on the Google Assistant option and then tap on Switch to confirm the action. After making this switch, if you will open the Google Assistant, you will see that Gemini is gone and you're now using the regular Google Assistant. The interface and capabilities will be different compared to Gemini. Keep in mind that this switch is reversible. If you want to go back to using Gemini, simply repeat the process and select Gemini instead of Google Assistant in the Digital Assistants menu. So that's basically how you can switch Gemini to Google Assistant. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.